Hi, I want to show you how to check RAM on Google Pixel 9a. So open up your settings first, and here you need to find About Phone tab, and then scroll all the way down to choose build number. So I want you to tap 7 times on build number to activate developer options. Let's try this out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And now I'm a developer. By the way, if you have lock screen, then you will need to enter your password or a pattern to confirm this step. And now developer options are on. So to find them, we need to go back in settings. Here choose System tab. So let's just find it in the list. Great. And now just find developer options. After that, on top you should see memory. So this is your total amount of RAM, and this is used. You can of course click it and check more detailed information. For example, I got free 3.9 gigabytes and total memory 7.9 gigabytes. Average used is 51% and performance is normal. Also here you can switch from 3 hours to 6 hours, 12 hours or 1 day. And yeah, here if you just want to turn off developer options, then you will need to toggle off the switch near this feature and go back. That's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.